Looking for a recipe that's quick and flavorful to make in your own kitchen tonight? Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with lemon garlic chicken with broccoli rabe. So let's get cooking. Let's cook the ramen. Time to make the sauce. Let's prepare the chicken. Now let's add the broccoli rabe. Broccoli rabe is a leafy green vegetable in the Brassica family, the same group that includes cabbage, kale, and cauliflower. It was first cultivated over 6,000 years ago, originating in Central Asia. Broccoli rabe is a great alternative to regular broccoli, and it is quite common in Italian and Mediterranean cooking, where its slightly nutty flavor is savored. That looks really amazing. Let's build the dish. Add a generous portion of the ramen, followed by the lemon garlic chicken with broccoli rabe. Finish with lemon juice and fresh parsley. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, this juicy pan-seared chicken with Szechuan peppercorn tossed in a lemon garlic sauce alongside broccoli rabe and ramen noodles. You and your guests will love this dish. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one quick and delicious meal for dinner. Stay with us, watch the next videos.